Good morning, everybody. I decided to get up and clean my driveway because it is dirty. So, without further ado, let's begin. Here are my choice of weapons. I'm using the Ryobi 2500 PSI electric pressure washer. And you can see I have my little gun here, but I will also be using this here, which is a surface cleaner. 12 inches in diameter. It will do the work. This is what I did earlier, and as you can tell, it's super clean. It used to be really dirty, but that's how we are going to do all this here, all the way to the front sidewalk as well. But in the meantime, we're just gonna do this. So here's your before, and I'm about to get started. So let's begin. All right, it's a little loud, but as you can see, it's cleaning it, going over it once and over it twice. Okay, check it out now. This is under 5 minutes. I was able to do the first square quadrant here. Look at that, nice and clean. Yeah, if I miss a little spot, don't worry, I'll go back and do it. And this little baby here has definitely made a big difference. Now let's work on the other one. Check it out. See? Cleaning up. This is also about 5 minutes that it took me. I'm not keeping track of the time, but about 5 minutes I'm estimating. Let's clean up the rest of this. Third quadrant also in under 5 minutes. That's 3 of those already done. Now look at the fourth one here. And got a couple more to go, but so far it's looking good. And it's very satisfying. And I decided to go side by side this time. That way the water falls down easier. Let me get a little closer so we don't have to shout. This is the next quadrant done. I used the gun by itself to just push all the dirt and stuff out. Now it's time for this next quadrant here. This will be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 quadrant. And here we go. I like to wet it a little bit first, and there we go. My daughter wanted to try this, and what she's doing, writing 6-7. There we go, 6-7. Haha, it is tough. TS is tough. Pretty cool, huh? And like I said, like if I miss anything, I'll go back and just redo it again, and then I'll use the regular gun. The really cool thing about this is, press it down, press it up, comes right off. And if you have your nozzle attached to it, all you gotta do is connect it, plug and place, you hear it click, and just want you want to, and it works just as good. Come here, show you. Look at this spot here. Come take a look. Clean. Did it. So that's how I'll go over this one more time, just to make sure that I didn't miss any spots or so, and to push out all that dirt and all the dirty stuff here out. So now I'm gonna finish up this next quadrant and knock it out. So here we go. Okay, here are the results. As you can tell, it's a little wet some areas. Now check it out. I was finishing up the side over here, still a little wet, but as you can see, all that is wet. This side's still wet. It's gonna be a while before anything else, but look. Yep, pretty cool, huh? Got it done. I would say estimated time, maybe an hour and a half. I decided to do one more video to show you this is the sidewalk and this is how it left it. Pretty nice, huh? Alright, so the window here, a couple leaves, but look, here's how it goes. Now I'm gonna take a break. It's been fun and I just wanted to show you all that, and oh man, it feels good because the wind's out here, not too hot, but overall I had fun doing this and cleanup is cool. Now it looks nice. Good driveway, right? Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe, give me a shout out if you want. I'll give you a shout out back. Take care. See y'all.